In America itself, our valiant forces are making excellent progress. The front is expanded daily as city after city falls into our hands. Everywhere, our troops are met by cheering citizens happy to be liberated from the yoke of their oppressive government. Already, the American proletariat is joining us in spontaneous...
The initial landing went well, and within a few days we had Seattle secured and several regiments moving out into the surrounding countryside. It felt great to finally roam free after having spent weeks inside the cramped container ships. The Americans soon rallied their forces, though, and we began to encounter pockets of heavy resistance. After a pitched fight, they would melt back into the countryside, leaving us to count our dead and wounded. It didn't take long before the strain and frustration of being in a hostile country so far from home began to show on some of the men.
Maloshenko to Sokol-1. This place is too calm.
I agree, Captain. The river is the perfect place for them to defend. We need better intelligence before we continue the advance. Sokol-1 to Romanov. Move ahead and scout out the area. And be wary of ambushes.
Rifle embarking.
To all battle group elements. Spread out and hold in place. Romanov will scout ahead. Sokol-1 out.
Maloshenko to Sokol-1. I wish the Americans would have the guts to stand and fight us.
Don't hope for too much, Captain. We lack the fire support for a decisive engagement.
We can do without it. My men are already chomping at the bit.
I am sure we will find the Americans soon enough, Captain.
I hope so. Then we shall destroy them utterly. Maloshenko out.
No sign of the enemy yet. I don't like this, Lieutenant. Take your group east and continue the reconnaissance. Sokol-1 out.
Трусы американские. Why won't they face us?
Patience, Captain. I need you to keep your wits about you.
Don't worry about me, Uncle. Worry about the enemy. Maloshenko out.
APC will move now. Armored transport heading out.
Still no sign of the Americans.
Maloshenko here. They are close, I can feel it.
I believe you are right, Captain. But we must secure that bridge regardless. Romanov, your objective is to capture the bridge. Second Company will move in to support you once you are in place. Sokol-1 to all units. Continue the advance toward the river, but hold in place on the north side until the bridge has been secured.
Understood, товарищ полковник. Maloshenko out. Well done, Lieutenant. Hold off the enemy. I am sending first platoon across to support you.
Yeah, Sokol-1. Neutralize the enemy so that we can start using the bridge.
Picked up a soldier inside the building. Engage the enemy. Neutralize the enemy. We killed an enemy. We're in battle with the enemy. Rocket fire. We got the target.
The bridge is secure. Well done, everyone. Move across by company. I want column formations.
Maloshenko here. We have incoming fighters. They're going for the bridge. Черт побери! Clear the bridge! Clear the bridge!
Captain, second platoon says they're 10 minutes out.
Bastard! Tell that mongrel Petrov I'll put a bullet in his head if he's not here in 5.
Так точно.
Sokol, this is Shipovnik. My men are surrounded and need immediate reinforcement.
Shipovnik, I'm aware of the situation. Move your troops to the western ford and cross there. Romanov will create a diversion to the east.
Sokol, we don't have time for diversions and flanking maneuvers. I need a
I say again, you are to flank to the west, Shapovnik.
Блин! Order second company to move west. We'll rendezvous at the fort. I hope the old fool knows what he's doing.
Romanov, make a supporting attack on the eastern ford while 2nd and 3rd Company flank around to the west. We must reinforce our stranded comrades on the other side of the river. It looks like the Americans are finally making a stand. Count on heavy resistance. I'm giving you light tank support. We also have reports of an enemy M1 Abrams tank in the area. This is the most lethal tank in the American arsenal. Destroy it if you get the opportunity.
They're taking heat! Armored transporter, lock and fire! Attacking us!
Unit killed.
Hostile soldier killed! They're under fire!
Good. Each loss of those tanks is a serious blow to the Americans.
The squad is assembled, getting to the position. Armored transport, we got the target.
Maloshenko на связи! We are engaging the enemy at the western fort. My men on the other side are now completely surrounded.
Sokol 1 here. We will get to them, Captain. Romanov should draw some of their forces away to the east soon.
We better. Maloshenko out.
AK's ready to plunge on grenades now and fire! Attack the enemy! Target! Riflemen! Атакуйте! Grab the machine gun and move your feet. Heads down and go! Fires a machine gun. We can't do that. We disabled that vehicle. Plunge on grenades! Grenades, now! Set up that machine gun! Engage now! We got the target! Fire your rifles! Target eliminated! Товарищ командир, light tank, armor moving out. We're in the middle of something. Engage now! Fire at the target! Roger, grenades, fire! Fire! Light armor available, heading for the position. Got new orders for us. We got the squad is assembled. Getting to the
Tоварищ
position.
Maloshenko, my men are hard beset by the enemy. I thought Romanov would draw them off.
Romanov is attacking the eastern ford as planned. A breakthrough on either side will force the Americans to retreat.
Understood, but it's not enough. I request a bridge layer.
Request denied, Captain. Again, sending in a bridge layer now would only ensure its destruction.
But we have to get across the river.
And we will do so at the forts. Sokol 1, out.
They're taking hits! Back quickly now! Rifles are clean and ready. Infantry heading up. We are on the move. Fire! Infantry engaged. Moving to the perimeter. Load that machine. Attack the enemy. Engage now. Engage now. Put your grenades and fire. Put your grenades now and fire.
Armor piercing loaded. Атакую!
We got the target. Launching ATV. Machine gun with squad. Стреляй. Where do you need us? Fire at will. Getting to the position.
Yes.
We
True combat
defeated
repairs
an
coming up.
enemy. Товарищ командир. Acknowledged. Moving out.
Light tank need instruction. Armor moving out. Armor here. Товарищ командир. Heading for the position.
Infantry. Good to consider acknowledged.
Transport repairing our comrades now.
We have control of the eastern fort. Get some fortifications up, Romanov.
They are engaging us! They are engaging us! We're engaged! AKs ready to fire! They are engaging us!
Target the enemy.
Unit gone.
Neutralize the
Heads
enemy.
down and go.
Light armor ready for combat. Missile launching 84.
Defeated
At the
an
target.
enemy.
APC here. Launch the 85 missile.
Give us some support here.
We should move the beam. Attack that target.
Товарищ командир, we're available. Fire some grenades. Launch grenades now. Launch your grenades and fire. We got the target.
Enemy tank.
We killed an enemy. Fire your rifles.
What are your next orders? APC is returning fire. Fire the missile. Missile launching 84. At the hostile.
Excellent, Lieutenant. I am sending further reinforcements to you. Captain Maloshenko, what is your situation?
The squad is assembled. Infantry heading up. Getting to the
We've
position.
broken through the enemy lines. The Americans are pulling back.
Understood. Link up with your men and set up a perimeter. Romanov, I want you to move south and clear the enemy forces from the large farm ahead.
They're moving out. A machine gun is ready. Infantry heading out.
Transport, affirmative. We're going to patch him up.
Infantry good to go. They're on the move.
Hostile vehicle. Gas tank. Armor moving out.
We're under fire! Destroy the enemy! Rifle squad need orders. Fire at the target. Destroy the enemy! Target. Moving out! Get your rifles and move. They're under fire! They're engaging us!
At that hostile.
Loading armor
They're under
testing,
fire!
Tavarish Commandeer.
84. Regular fire. Missile locked. Firing 84. Launching 84.
Kill an
At
enemy.
the target.
AKs ready to fire! Attack the enemy!
Hostile defeated.
Infantry, атакуйте!
Говорит Maloshenko. The Americans are renewing their attack from southwest.
Understood, Captain. Can you hold?
We can hold against whatever those craven bastards throw against us.
Good. I am talking to our esteemed comrades in the Air Force, and they will soon give us priority.
We don't need their support. The Americans will soon break and flee.
I'm sure they will, Captain, but some air support will be welcome. So call one out.
Rifles are clean and ready. Affirmative. Moving. They're taking heat!
We can preparing our comrades now.
Infantry, good to go.
Incoming fire. Watch out. Kill some sort. Armor.
Target the enemy and fire.
Hostile defeated.
Let's move it! Moving out! A machine gun is ready. Down and go! What's now, товарищ командир?
Unit killed.
Cut! Speed it up! They're engaging in the middle of something!
This is Sokol 1. We have a large concentration of enemy units at the farm. We have finally been given priority air support, and I am calling in a strike now. Sokol 1 to Romanov. Frontal aviation will deal with the Americans. Make sure you are clear of the target area.
Strike quickly now! They're under fire! Start moving, rifle squad.
Maloshenko to Sokol 1. What do we do about that bridge?
Romanov will secure the bridgehead, and then we'll repair the bridge. You must protect the southwestern flank.
Nothing will be allowed through.
Moving out.
Maloshenko out.
Moving. Acknowledge.
Sokol 1 to Romanov. Move to the bridge at once and dig in. The Americans will be back soon, and in greater numbers.
Move out and pace it up.
Set up some sandbag positions if you can. You don't have much time. Sokol 1 out.
Yes, товарищ командир. Товарищ командир, where do you want us? Get to that perimeter, товарищ командир. We're moving out now.
Infantry ready for combat. Infantry heading out. The squad is assembled. We're on the move. Tavarish Commandeer. Infantry heading out. Rifles are clean and ready. Move out. Double time.
Trench, we're going to patch him up.
Romanov, fill your sandbags faster. The Americans are closing in. This is Sokol 1. The bridge has been repaired. You are free to move your units across. The main force is not far out now, Lieutenant.
Товарищ командир, BMP-2 is available. Yes, товарищ командир.
Infantry good to go. We are on the move.
General purpose commencing repairs, Товарищ командир.
APC here. We're moving out now.
Good. A multi-layered defense is always the best option against a concentrated attack.
Transport is ready to repairing our comrades now. General purpose vehicle commencing repairs, Товарищ
Where
командир.
do you need us? Affirmative. We are on the move.
Maloshenko here. We're engaging an enemy force estimated battalion strength. And I see another group moving toward the bridge.
You must hold Romanov. Sokol 1 out.
Rifles are clean and ready. The stake was destroyed.
5076 hostile. What are your orders? 18
Target defeated!
Some armor piercing.
Got new orders. Infantry! Атакуйте! We got the target!
immediately.
Rifle squad need orders. Engage now!
Target killed.
Riflemen!
Sokol 1 here. Army Command has finally deemed it prudent to give us fire support. A mortar section and a flight of Su-25s are now on call.
Machine gun! We got the target!
Affirmative. Anti-tank strike is inbound. Out.
Говорит Maloshenko. The Americans are attacking in strength. We're facing at least a regiment's worth of troops.
Yeah, Sokol 1. The GRU reports them as part of the Oregon National Guard. Our orders are to fix them in place and destroy them.
We'll destroy them to the last man. Maloshenko out.
Fire your rifles! Target defeated! Attack the enemy!
Armor available for BAT-4 is waiting.
The American attack shows no sign of weakening. You must hold on to that bridge, Romano.
Target is
This is Ohoki. Targeting enemy tank. Affirmative. Anti-tank strike is inbound. Out.
Set up that machine gun! Destroy the enemy! Fire at the target!
Working here reporting hostile casualties.
Товарищ командир! Target defeated! Conserve your ammo, infantry! Атакуйте! Neutralize the enemy.
Order strike requested. Firing away. Out.
British Grenadier. We got the target.
Neutralize the enemy. Fire your rifles.
This is a hotkey. Targeting enemy
Fire.
tank.
Riflemen, attack the engaging target.
Enemy has put the lead in that area.
Fire at the target. Attack the enemy. We got the target. Fire.
This is a hotkey. Enemy kills confirmed.
Riflemen, move up now.
Returning to base. Over.
Squad, стреляй. We got the target.
The enemy attack has finally been spent. They're falling back.
Heads down and go.
Don't give them any respite, Romano. Counterattack at once.
APC
To
here.
all Sokol 1 elements, the Americans are falling back. Advance and destroy them. Sokol 1 out.
We're under fire. Kill. We're under fire. We need to move to that. Move your feet. Go. We're taking heat. Moving out. Move your feet. Castle.
Hostile defeated.
Start moving. Rifle squad. Target the enemy in fire.
Review orders. Your order going to the destination. Gonna see drive to that perimeter.
Товарищ командир, we're ready. Getting to the go.
Very good, Romano. Consolidate your position before advancing further. We cannot afford to lose the ground we've gained.
This is Maloshenko. We have destroyed an enemy mechanized company. Continuing the advance at this time.
Well done, Captain. Don't let them get away. Sokol 1 out.
Target kill. Load that machine fire at the target.
We can roll out and launch the 85 missile. Missile locked. Launching 84 at the target. Light tank needed targets.
Товарищ командир, we're ready. We are on the
Taking
move.
hit. Destroyed.
We're under fire. Enemy neutralized. Riflemen, get going.
Well done, Lieutenant. Now press the attack.
Light armor. Our tracks are steady. We can roll out anytime. Armor, roll out.
Maloshenko to Sokol 1. We are now in position 4, dealing with light skirmish forces.
Understood. Hold in place. Sokol 1 out. Retake the ground you lost, Romano, before it's too late.
Light armor engaging.
Kill an enemy.
Hostile engaged.
The enemy needs
Launching
to go up.
84.
We're taking heat.
Fire.
Complete.
Target
Getting low
loaded.
fuel.
Attack going.
Pointing out.
Heading out now. Armor available.
Kill an enemy.
Tracks are steady.
We're under fire. That machine, get going. We're taking heat.
We gotta see hostile
Target
engaged.
defeated. The squad is assembled. Sprint to the coordinates.
Almost there, Romano. Get some fortifications up.
This is Maloshenko. Request permission to pursue the enemy.
Yes, Captain. We must keep the perimeter intact. We have dealt the Americans a hard blow. It will have to be enough for today.
Later, the area is ordered. Returning to base. Over.
Rifles are clean and ready. We got the target.
Disable the hostile.
Hostile destroyed. Ready grenade! Fire! Enemy neutralized. Товарищ командир, target defeated.
Now it's attack. Pointing out.
Target eliminated. Armor transport. Yes, товарищ командир. Moving.
Affirmative. Mortars will fire at the provided order. Over.
Neutralize the enemy.
Want us to move to... It's going to be fit for battle in no time.
Neutralize the enemy.
No hostiles hit. We had better...
We have the field. The river crossing is secure, and now the rest of the battle group can move across. Excellent performance all around. Sokol 1 out.